Watch the TUI 38.
All right. Detail World. Another glorious day out here in Nashville, Tennessee. About to get ready to start the day. Running a little bit late. Kids on spring break, so trying to get 3 kids up in the morning to get them dressed is an arduous task. But today, word of the day will be arduous. Arduous mean hard. Not as easy, but like I say, we got first stop probably about 20 minutes from here. Then we got 2 more appointments, so we only got 3 appointments for the day.
It would turn into
glorious day.
sunshine.
It's supposed to be like 6. They got clear skies, everything like that. You see the sun already shining. So it's gonna be a glorious day today. Gonna take advantage of this weather. And then tomorrow I got another busy day, and Saturday and then Sunday, which is Easter, but I don't celebrate Easter. So, but we're gonna see how it goes. My neighbor needs his BMW clean. I'm gonna definitely try to get to that today too. I need all the money I can get. See my neighbor over there, well not my neighbor, see a guy in the neighborhood right now working on he just got his driveway done, so he's trying to take down a tape that was blocking the driveway. But y'all already know, continue to be great, man. Remember, consistency beats everything, man. You just have to be consistent, man. No matter how long it takes, you just got to put the time in and believe in yourself. So today, believe in yourself. Word of the day is arduous, and like always, man, if you haven't did it yet, hit that subscribe channel, man. Hit that button, and let's make it happen, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do. We done made it to our first appointment, man. We doing this Cadillac XT6. It look like it's a kind of sporty mode because I'm looking at the big Brembo brakes it got on here, the big red brakes. So right now, we're about to work on this the interior first. It's a little dirty in here. So we're gonna make sure we get in here, vacuum it down, clean these seats real good, things like that. You see this seat right here, look like somebody waste something. A kid, definitely got a kid because of the debris that you see. Adults usually don't drop stuff like that on the carpet and stuff. So we're gonna get in here. We about to go ahead and get the interior done. Then we're gonna work on this exterior. And then we got 2 more appointments for the day. So we're about to go ahead and get it started, man. I hope you having a glorious day so far. Evening, afternoon, no matter what part of the day it is, man. Like I said, we already got the equipment out, generator, things like that. Got the vacuum ready to go. So y'all already know, man. Stay dedicated to whatever you got going on in life, man. Be consistent, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Detail World, what it do, what it do. We finally got this first car done of the day, man. It took us a little time to get it done. It took us about an hour and a half, but we got the car looking immaculate. Y'all remember what it looked like? Had a grayish hue look to it. You remember the wheels? It's brown looking, but now they got that glow. Car look immaculate. Give you a quick glimpse of the interior real quick. But this is about my second time doing this car. So yeah, that sucks. I'm hoping she can give out a little bit more info. But like I said, it's done. Finna head to the next stop. You remember, had debris everywhere here. We got the car wiped down completely in his so y'all already know. Next stop is Jesus, forgot what the next car is, but we finna get there. It's not too far. I'm not sure because he been having me doing his daughter's cars late, not his, but it's about 5-6 minutes from here. Finna get there, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do. Like I mentioned the other day when I was doing the other car, it seemed like it was raining dirt out the sky. Because if you look at this car, and my car looked the same, man. It seemed like it's dirt just is raining out the sky. But if you look at the exterior of the car, it's pretty dirty. Definitely needs a good exterior cleaning. We already got the interior clean. Had your typical debris, sticks, twigs, the normal. But you see the exterior of the car definitely need a good cleaning. If you look at the wheels over there, look at them, got a little grayish, brownish look. You see mud all down the side of the car. So we about to go ahead and work on this exterior. We already got the pressure washer and the equipment out. Got these floor mats out. They need to be cleaned really good, things of that nature. But y'all already know, man, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it today. Today is the day that you're going to hit that subscribe button. Leave a like or a comment, or even share this video. But I'm going to go ahead and get prepped, man. I'm going to catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, man. We finally got this second car done of the day, which is this Chevy Suburban High Country. We got the car looking immaculate. The car looks great. Remember, it had dirt all down the side of the vehicle. Y'all already know, man. We take so much pride over here, Your Way Mobile Podcast Service. And like I tell you, when you take pride in whatever you're doing, it's not considered a job. It's just you doing what you love to do and doing what you do best. But we about to go ahead and let them know we done. Get paid, head to our next stop. We got, I think, a Range Rover to do there and a Mercedes-Benz, but I'm not 100% sure. I hope it's just a Range Rover because I don't feel like doing all that work today. I'm ready to go home, clean up my house and clean up my car. But y'all already know, man, consistency is the key. Consistency beats everything, man. Remember, man, determination is everything, and you gotta have that, man. Be ambitious. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, YouTube, what it do. I hope you're having a glorious day so far. We didn't finish the last car today. She had one more car to do here, but I'm really trying to get home. It's 4 o'clock. I'm trying to get home, feed these kids. I'm not trying to get home at 7 o'clock like I did yesterday. But I got a busy ass day tomorrow, and I got a busy day Saturday. So I'm finna go ahead and let her know we done. Car already parked, you see, so I don't have to park it like I usually say. Finna just let her know we done, get paid, head home. Right now it's 3:52. Probably about 20 minutes. Probably take about 30, 40 minutes to get home due to traffic everywhere. But y'all already know, man. Continue to be great. I'm gonna be great together, man. Y'all already know. One love. Love thyself. Because you can't love anybody if you don't love yourself. And on that note, like always, man, peace.
If I was on YouTube, watching TUI 38.